Excuse me, are you American? No, I'm not. I'm Canadian. Do you speak English? A little, but not very well. How are you? I'm fine, thanks. How do you do? How do you do? Pleased to meet you. What's up? Nothing much. How was your day? Really good. Are you happy today? Yes, I am. What's your name? My name's Jacob. What is your surname? Brown. Where do you come from? I come from London. Where are you from? I'm from London. How old are you? 38. When and where were you born? I was born in 1974 in Liverpool. What do you do? I'm an engineer. What's your profession? I'm an English teacher. What's your job? I'm an English teacher. Do you work from home? No, I work at an office. Where do you live? I live in England. What's your address? 13 Oxford Street. What's your email address? You can email me at john@gmail.com. What's your telephone number? My number is 845-377. How long have you been here? I have been here for 3 weeks. Can I?